Hey everyone, so I saw that I posted a sketchbook video like 3 years ago and it did pretty well. It got like 900 views. So I decided to make another one 3 years later. I'm in college now and let's see if anything's changed. Let's check it out. This sketchbook is from last November of 2019, last September of 2019 when I was in my first semester as a sophomore at LCAD. Alright, so these are just some pen sketches, part of my business card. This is my graphic design teacher. I kind of drew him when he wasn't looking. And I had to do some math for my sister, and I just drew Matt Champion from Brockhampton on the side. This is my boyfriend Angel. You'll probably see a lot of him in this. And I think this was during art history class. I just kind of got really bored and drew the teacher and drew a student. Lots of these drawings will be me creeping on other people and drawing them. Here's a sketch I referenced from Pinterest. There's me, a weird hand thing. These two were done when I was at Laguna Beach, just sketching away, and then this is a violin. Not sure why I drew that. There's me again, Angel again, and I think that's my sister Muriel. More beach sketches. I need to do these more often. I don't really do beach sketches that much anymore. This is just two really messy pages. You're gonna see that I take class notes next to my doodles. So yeah. Oh, this is when I went to the Museum of Natural History in LA. We went there for animal drawing class and we just roamed around and drew all the fake animals. So, this was a really fun day. Just walked around for like 6 hours just straight up drawing. It's pretty awesome. I like that little zebra guy there. This was notes for an infographic I was doing. I'm actually a graphic design major, so most of these drawings are just sketches. They're not for school. But there's Angel again, some pens and pencils. Let's see. Here's a pencil sketch I did during art history again. You could see I don't pay attention that much during class. Uh-oh. There's my teacher. I spied on him and drew on him. There I am being creepy again. I got these new pens that I really love, just like basic felt tip pens that I was obsessed with during the sketchbook. These were some messy notes from animal drawing class. It was leg day, leg muscles day. There was my teacher again. And I either draw from life, like I draw what I see in the classroom around me, or I draw what I see on Pinterest, photography, or my own photography. Looks like I cut something out here, but oh yeah, I drew the Joker and I cut it out and gave it to someone. But this little trash can guy was a contest for my friend Eli's drawing contest. Speaking of Eli, he drew this guest drawing in my sketchbook. He's a really sick artist. Just some more muscle notes. Some of these pages are just notes, for projects. Like this was for a bookmark project for my computer imaging class. And, some more notes. I keep all my notes and all my sketches in the same place. This was just I'm not sure if I did this in animal drawing class. Probably not, because we focused more on the muscles and stuff, not the outer forms, but not sure when I did that. Really messy page, but there's bold and brash. Oh, these were my basic sketches for my animal drawing final, which I will put on the screen right now. That was really fun. We had to make 3 illustrations for that class for the final. And then here's Angel again. Some people in my class just drawing people's shoes, Always gotta be drawing. Another sketch for my animal drawing final. These were sketches for a computer imaging project of a, what was it? It was like an amusement park sign. An amusement park ride sign. Sketches, messy doodles, you know. Okay, this was from, we were looking at Edward Muybridge's photography of horses and studying that to see movement. And this was our homework for animal drawing. We had to make like contour drawings of animals, follow the muscle forms. I wasn't that good at it. They're not that anatomically correct, but whatever. More of Muybridge studies. More Muybridge. There's a lot of animals in this sketchbook, I'm realizing. Probably because of animal class. Which I didn't have to take animal class for my major, but I signed up for it because I thought it looked super fun, and I love Marshall Vandroff, and it was very fun. Yikes. Okay. There's that. It gets kind of messy near the end of all my sketchbooks. See, this is what the notes look like of an art student. Not much writing, a lot more drawing. Apparently, Irvine to LA Union Station. That was the train. Not many people in there to draw. More contour drawings for homework. And more contour drawings. This one was so damn hard to do. Oh, okay, I guess that's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my sketchbook. Hopefully I'll do more of these videos. Thought it would be fun to just share some of my drawings. Thanks, guys.